Okay, a taxi driver, he charges the $3.25 for the first mile of the trip. So that's just for the first mile. And then for each mile after that, it's $1.25. And then he charges a certain customer $17 for one ride. And so now we're going to work that out. So it's $3.25 for the first mile, and plus $1.25 for each mile after that. So that's just for the miles. And then if it's 17 at the end, you have to do times number of miles, which equals $17 total. So now we got to write that on our equation line. So, okay, here we go. It is $3.25 plus $1.25 times number of miles, which equals $17. Gotta add the dollar signs or it's incorrect. Okay, now that's your answer.
Okay, so Leon receives a birthday gift of $50 from his parents. Each week, he saves $5. How many weeks will it take for him to save $120? So you're going to have to do 50 plus 5, 50 plus 5, W, because it wants to know each week. So, and then the total, because he saved 120, that's not even the right color. So now we're going to have to work it out. So you have to subtract 50, and then 50 minus 120, or 120 minus 50, we will have to borrow, which make that a 12, and that will be a 70. And then you'll have to do 5W divided by 70. And then 570, that goes near once. That goes 5, 2, 0, 4. So W equals 14.
Okay, so today we're going to look at two trapezoids, and it says they're similar. So we have to find what statement is true about the trapezoids. So first, we have to color code each side. So we have to do FG, and FG is similar with XY, and then HE, and HE is similar with ZW. And then EF, similar with WX. And then these two lines. Alright, so it says which of the following statements is true about the trapezoids. So after we've color coded each trapezoid, we have to color code the letter of which color they are in the trapezoid. So for example, EF is blue in the trapezoid. So we have to color code EF like that, or it could be FE, and I don't think there's two. Alright, so yellow FG and XY. So XY Alright, and WZ and EH, I think. Yeah, EH, WZ. Okay, so D is wrong because it has 3 colors in it and you don't want 3 colors. So we're gonna X that one out. Alright, go back to the and then FG was yellow. And then WX was blue. XY is yellow. ZY red. And this one is already wrong because it has it's saying that a green is similar with a blue, which is not correct. WZ is green. This one is wrong because it has 3 colors. EF was blue. And yeah, we already done that one. And HG is red. So therefore, this one is the correct answer. So we're gonna go ahead and shade that in. Because it's saying that HG and ZY are similar and GF and YX are similar.